Your front porch is the first thing guests see, so why not make it sparkle this Christmas? Whether you love rustic charm, classic red and green, or modern elegance, decorating your porch sets the tone for the season. From glowing lights to cozy accents, let's explore Christmas front porch decor ideas that bring warmth, joy, and festive cheer to your home. Before we dive into today's video, I'd like to welcome you to Decorpediya, your go-to source for home decor inspiration. We bring you creative ideas to transform your space with style and ease, helping you elevate every corner of your home effortlessly. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest decor inspirations. Now, let's get started. What's a great idea for the porch floor? Layer a Christmas-themed doormat over a neutral rug. Add baskets of pine cones, wrapped gifts, or lanterns to fill empty corners with style. Floor styled? Like this if your entry feels picture perfect. What's a fun DIY element to include? Try homemade wooden signs, painted sleds, or mason jar lanterns. Personal DIY touches add warmth and make your porch stand out beautifully. DIY done? Like this if your crafts bring holiday joy. What colors work best for Christmas porches? Classic red and green never fail, but gold and white add elegance. For modern looks, try silver and blue or all neutral tones with warm lighting. Palette picked? Like this if your colors capture the Christmas spirit. What about porch railings and columns? Wrap them in greenery and string lights. Add bows, ornaments, or bells to highlight architectural details and create a unified festive look. Railings wrapped? Like this if your porch sparkles from top to bottom. What about outdoor figures and props? Place reindeer, snowmen, or nutcrackers near the entry. Keep proportions balanced so decorations complement the porch without feeling crowded. Props perfect? Like this if your porch feels playful yet polished. How do I use lights effectively? Mix string lights, lanterns, and candles for depth. Use warm white for classic charm or colorful bulbs for playful holiday energy. Lights shining? Like this if your porch glows with Christmas cheer. How do I style porch steps for Christmas? Line steps with lanterns, mini trees, or wrap boxes. Add symmetry by repeating decorations on each side for a balanced, elegant look. Steps shining? Like this if your pathway feels magical at night. How do I keep the look balanced and safe? Avoid clutter, leave room for movement and safety. Choose weatherproof materials and secure lights or decor to handle wind and moisture. Balanced and safe? Like this if your setup shines and lasts all season. How do I choose a theme for my porch? Start with a clear style, traditional, rustic, or minimal. A consistent theme makes your decorations cohesive and helps every element feel intentional. Theme chosen? Like this if your porch is ready to shine in style. How can I incorporate greenery? Use garlands, wreaths, or potted evergreens. Add touches of eucalyptus or berries for contrast and a natural, freshly cut forest feel. Greenery lush? Like this if your porch feels fresh and festive. How can I decorate my doorway? Frame it with garlands, fairy lights, or ribbon. Add a wreath in the center, floral for charm, evergreen for tradition, or frosted for winter magic. Door glowing? Like this if your entrance feels merry and bright. Can I add seating to my porch decor? Yes, add cozy chairs, plaid pillows, and soft blankets. Create a small sitting area where guests can relax and enjoy the twinkle of holiday lights. Seating set? Like this if your porch feels cozy and inviting. Your front porch is the heart of your home's holiday welcome. With cozy lights, natural greenery, and festive accents, you can create a space that captures the true spirit of Christmas. Every wreath, lantern, and ribbon adds a touch of warmth to your season. Feeling inspired? Like and check back for more magical decorating ideas.